I am confident in my ability to achieve my ideal weight with Mitolyn's support. My body is strong and healthy, efficiently burning fat every day. I nourish my cells with Mitolyn's natural ingredients, fueling my energy and keeping my cravings in check. Each morning, I wake up vibrant and motivated, ready to embrace the day. I celebrate every step of my journey, knowing that my transformation is natural and sustainable. With Mitolyn by my side, I radiate confidence and positivity. I trust my body's ability to slim down, making mindful choices that align with my goals. My energy levels soar as Mitolyn optimizes my metabolism, empowering me to live an active lifestyle. I am disciplined and focused, letting go of old habits and welcoming new, healthy routines. I feel unstoppable, and with Mitolyn, I'm becoming the best version of myself every day.